In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Gmail profile picture both on your desktop and on your phone. On your phone, navigate to your Gmail app. On the top right corner, locate your profile icon. Proceed to manage your Google account. Then click on personal info. Then you have to scroll down and locate photo. Beside photo, you see your current profile picture. You can proceed to click there. So this is our current profile picture. At the bottom, we have change and remove. So if you want to change, we can proceed to click on change. So we have a pool of suggested photos from Gmail app itself, and we also have a Google Photos, and we can proceed to pull out a photo from our device. Whichever option you feel okay, you can decide to pick it. On your desktop, launch your Gmail account. Then on the top right corner, locate your profile picture. Proceed to manage your account again. Among the list of the menus on the left, proceed to personal info. Then beside photo here, you could see your current profile picture and you can click there. Then again, we have the option underneath to change or remove. So if you want to change it, we can just click here. Then we have a list of options: illustration, Google Photos, and from our computer. So whichever option you want to pick, you can decide to pick it. In our case, we are not ready to change our photo. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. To see many content like this, consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.